Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a P-rail with a PVC pipe. You can make this to any height that you want, but this is what I got right here, so let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to go in with the circular sander. So first we're going to start with 120 grit and then we're going to work up to 220. Maybe, we'll see. I mean, it's just a skate ramp, so I don't really need to make it like perfectly smooth. But yeah, I'm just gonna get started on that and then see how I feel after I do 120. Then we will spray paint. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so first I'm gonna find the center of our 1x4 and then I'm gonna find the center of the 2x3. You're touching my ear. Alright, so let's see, this is about 1.5 inches. I'm gonna make a mark at 3/4. Alright, so that's the middle of this. So now I'm gonna mark the other side to make sure that it's straight the whole way. And there's the middle for this one. Okay, so now I'm going to just line these up. Oh, it's pretty good. So we're pretty extra and we're gonna use clamps, but you could honestly just like put your foot on it and start drilling into it. But we have these, so. Okay, just to preface, so what we're about to show you is me screwing this on so that the top of this board is flush to the top of this one, but you're not going to want to do that. We made a mistake and we had to re-screw it. So you actually want this lifted a little bit from the top so that when this PVC pipe rests on top, it doesn't jiggle that much. But before, when we had these flush to this, it was jiggling all over. So yeah, just a warning, don't do what you're about to see. Just make sure it's lifted a little bit. We'll show you it from the side. Okay, yeah. Okay, so now we're going to be screwing the PVC pipe into these wood blocks so we can secure it on so it doesn't wobble. So for the ends, I'm just going to be going inside actually since we can access this, and I'm going to screw it into the wood here and then into the wood here, and I'm just going to pre-drill and then go in with the screws. Then for the rest of them, we'll just go straight down.
Is as an action. What you do is what the whole universe is doing at the place you call here and now.
just want to secure the middle section because it's still a little bit wobbly in the middle. So we'll probably do 3 more? 3 or 2? Okay, so I switched my drill bit to a 3/8 drill bit for the top part of this pipe. So why I did that is because when I drill in here, the screw will be able to fit through, and then I'll switch to a smaller drill bit for the bottom hole in the pipe so that the screw will be able to fit snug into it and into the wood. So pretty much I'm just clearing a path for the screw to go into. So let's get started. Alright, so now I'm going in with a smaller drill bit to make a screw hole into the bottom part of the PVC pipe so that we can put the screw into it. Alright, so make sure you have a long skinny screw bit so that you can screw to the other side of the pipe. Okay.
What are you doing? Why are you screwing that slow?
Alright, so here it is. I might end up painting cool designs on it later on, but for now, this is super cute.